The young people are struggling to build up their life. They are struggling for their future life. They are running after and searching after to build their future life. So, young people cannot build their life unless they have a good plan and good choice in their life. They are searching after and running after something which is unstable, which is not so much valuable, which is vanishable. So the young people need to choose and select the things which is sustainable, which can stay for thousands of years. The young people, I can challenge you today. You need to select the thing which is sustainable, which can lead your life to the end of your breath. The things last long, that may be seen very simple, very tiny, and very ugly, but that thing is valuable for your life.